Imani ya sensemo ya niga tebiruna timu ya Shabana ni go eren timu ingia kolende nogo tanyora mabagayo kobeka egoli na teri kinga asoko bwa sekosori yo timu ya Shabana tebwa teaching runiga ya kwanetaya maiga yegosori yo yakorekanita somo cyo Nairobi asa tebiruna bamurabaye mbono bachakire kubwato muliro na reno kwegena ngana chikwebeka aseri bagaligia lyogoso agoserio kubwa eligi ya Kenya Premier League.
Well, just like all the 18 teams that are in the Premier League this season, I'm pretty sure everybody wants to win the title. It's not any different from us. We've got a very, very good team, a blend of young and experienced players who have very, very, high quality. So our job is just to instill or to make them believe that they are more than capable of delivering it. So again, I always like taking one match at a time. This was a very, very formidable opponent. The scoreline might be deceiving, but Shabana is a very, very good team. They had a very, very good match today, only that, of course, they were not able to utilize their chances, and on the other end, we were able to utilize ours. It certainly is the way I want the team to play, and it certainly is the result that I would like to get from this point henceforth. We started the season badly, struggled a lot in the first couple of matches, but I think the players are now regaining their foot. The confidence is coming back now, and congratulations to them for a very, very good display today against a very, very formidable opponent. Well, yeah, tactical tweaks will always be there, so we had those. We changed the personnel as well a little bit. And I think today the main difference that I've observed as a coach comparing this particular match to the other matches that we've played is that we've been able to put away the chances that we've created, because we were creating way too many chances in the other matches that we've played so far, but we were not able to put the ball in the back of the net. But today we had the composure to do that.